If you want to restore backup from your Google Drive account on a Realme 14T, then you can do this, for example, during the initial configuration. And it seems that this is actually the only way to restore the backup, that is during the first setup. So once you connect to Wi-Fi, you should see this screen where we have copy, apps, and data. And from here, we need to press next and then choose can't use other device. And then if you press OK, I assume that we should be able to sign into our Google account, because I haven't done that yet during this initial configuration. So we should see the sign in page. Yeah, there we go. So first we need to sign in. And after that, let's agree to terms of service. And after that, I believe we should see our backups that we have on our Google account or on our Google Drive. But I'm not sure, so we're gonna check just in a moment. Yeah, there we go. We have the option to restore data from another device, so you can choose your backup over here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.